Good morning, guys. So today is the last day of our stay here in the hotel. I'm going down because I will eat my breakfast and meet my friends. And at 8 o'clock, we will be leaving for the school to 48 North Dakota to meet our principal and of course to be familiar with the school before we begin with our work. So let's go down. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning vlog. So we are taking our breakfast now. This is my breakfast. Here's a coffee. Even if I don't drink coffee, I'm drinking coffee here because it's cold. So we're here already in school.
We will ask.
Is it still far from here, the apartment that we will be staying at?
Yeah. Or it's just right in town here.
Ah, okay. So yeah, we will be heading to the apartment. And I have here with me Sir?
Jaren.
Sir Jaren.
Jaren,
Thank you, sir, for your assistance. So I thought we will just walk from our apartment going to school, but it's not.
Yeah.
No.
I'm have to pick
Yeah.
you up in the morning. Yeah.
Cool, sir. So we need to have a car.
You can have a car, or so you can ride with another teacher.
Oh,
to the school.
yeah. We can ride it together.
little part here they call Sioux Village.
So village. So what
Yeah.
is what?
It's a little community.
It's a little.
Yeah, houses and stuff here.
So
This
it is a residential place.
Then this is they call 48 town area.
Oh, town area.
The name of that Boot Hill.
Hill.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, Boot Hill.
So there are a lot of residents also.
Yeah.
I've noticed there are a lot of like this, like a lake, small lakes.
Yeah.
Are they lakes, really?
Missouri River.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, river.
Yeah.
Oh. So
Yeah, it
this is
starts
a
all the way up from Montana. All the way.
During winter, is that frozen?
Yeah.
But I don't know, for some reason our documents are being delayed.
Oh,
So
really?
that's why it's almost graduation here, right?
Yeah.
We don't know what will we
Yeah.
do.
Then the last day of school is May
17?
17th.
Oh, right.
So this is like a little restaurant here.
Bar
R&B
and grill.
This is a gas station. There. This is the fire shed.
Okay, fine.
Then this is your regular convenience store.
Oh, that's great.
Called,
There's a
White
convenience
Buffalo.
store. White Buffalo.
Yeah, there has the times on it when it's open. Another gas station on the end over there.
Okay. And this one, what about this building?
This is a weekday building, they call it. They just do like a non-profit.
Oh, non-profit
Yeah.
organization.
Yeah. Same thing. This used to be old school here.
Oh, okay.
The old
Oh,
elementary
there is
school.
another school aside from Standing Rock before?
Yeah, there's two more schools out there with the high school, elementary, high school, then the public school.
In 48.
Yeah.
So I thought Standing Rock only in 48.
Yeah,
So
then
there
there's
are.
have another one up here they call it the Mission.
Oh, okay. Is it a public school also?
Yeah, it's like a
Catholic school.
Yeah.
Okay. Are these houses abandoned, or
No,
there are
just
people
this one
living?
is. They need to be remodeled. And this is the police station. So this place here is a teachers.
Teachers
Yeah.
accommodation.
Yeah.
There are also teachers here.
Yeah. Teachers, and I think the one that lives on the other side of you is a cop.
Is a cop.
Yeah, he works over here. It's that BIA house.
Okay. So I just arrived here in my accommodation here in 48, North Dakota, United States. And yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of boxes which I will be unpacking later on. So these are house essentials which I purchased from Wayfair before coming here from the Philippines, so that I can use them while staying here. So I'll give you a quick tour of the apartment. This apartment is just so simple. CR. This is a room. And
I
another
have
room.
no idea. I thought this place was pretty cool.
Is this included?
Huh?
Is this included also?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Oh, my feet is so dirty.
Hold on to our...
I will be unboxing the things that I purchased from the Wayfair for our house essentials. So here, this one first is a rice cooker because rice is life.